Hi, my name is Sergio, and here I will introduce AI Center of Inventec. Here we brought two different solutions. One is a smart healthcare, and the other is smart manufacturing. First, I will introduce the smart healthcare. This is MyHeartScore.
So you use the Apple Watch?
Yes, we use the Apple Watch ECG. Here, we can record ECG, and after recording it, we can go to the app and then analyze that ECG. And then we will give a cardiovascular risk score that will look something like this. And we provide you an analysis of the ECG, both in the rhythm of your heart and also the cycle of the heart. Like for example,
and you base this on a study of many people, or?
Yeah, sure. We developed this AI using a big database of 21,000 patients, where we recorded their ECG, and also the person has been monitored for 10 years, up to 10 years, knowing the different disease that the person developed, and analyzing the risk of cardiovascular health.
Do you do this study better than what Apple does on their app or other?
It's different actually. This is not better. It's a complement to Apple Health app.
And people can just go to this QR code.
We can monitor.
It says MyHeartScore. Download the app on Apple App Store.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
It's free.
It's free. It's completely free. You can.
And how many users do you have?
We are growing. It's a new thing, and we are growing in users lately. Yeah.
And so, what's the real advantage of using this app?
So you can consider this as your self-monitor, right? It will detect the potential risk of cardiovascular health. So it could help you to detect if you will have a potential disease in the future. Yeah.
It doesn't do blood pressure monitoring.
No.
Different?
This is nothing related to blood pressure. It's based on ECG and it's based on risk. It's trying to predict you the risk of cardiovascular health, but it's not measuring heart pressure or blood pressure or any specific disease.
Maybe some people are in a high risk for a very long time and nothing happens.
Actually, this technology is based on one heart disease, that is heart failure. And what we have with heart failure is many people will have this disease or will progressively get in this disease, but they don't know until the problem becomes chronic. And then once it's chronic, it's very hard to manage, or it's hard to get cured, let's say. So with this, we can detect whether this happened earlier in the beginning phase, and it could be better managed.
So is this very important? Like, why is Inventec doing this?
I mean, Inventec, right? We are exploring new technologies and exploring AI. We have a different field of research that we are working. We are working in smart health. We are working for smart manufacturing, internal in our company, and also robotics. That is our three field of research that we are working. And definitely AI is definitely the future for technology, if not the present.
So here we see a brochure that says Inventec AI. What is going to say in here?
Yeah, so here we have different solutions that our department and Inventec offer. So we will see here you have already MyHeartScore showing there, but there are other solutions. I-SWAT is a medical device as a software that we are deploying and using in some clinic in here in Taiwan.
Skin wound classification.
Yes, basically it's an API and an app that you can take a photo to the wound and it will detect some symptoms of the wound, some label.
What is a gastrointestinal AI?
Gastrointestinal AI is a solution that we are currently working on. We are collaborating with a medical center in Taiwan to build a solution, AI solution, to help doctors to detect cancer, gastric and colorectal cancer.
Nice. So Inventec is involved with all kinds of stuff. Here I see a robot. Is it one of those robots you talk about? Or that's a different thing?
So here I
So
won't
it's
be
like
able to-
you're able to like
introduce so
talk
much.
with this one, and it's for retail. Retail. Let's check here. What's happening in this area here?
So this is a smart manufacturing solution. We call it Observational agent, and it works in this AI box, and we also manufactured by Inventec, and it's connected to this camera. This technology is deployed in our factories and is connected in our pipelines, and it enables three features. One, the first feature is detecting the cycle time of the manufacturing. The second feature is detecting abnormalities in the manufacturing process, both motion or the hardware. Actually, the hardware is one of the functions and the process of the work.
So it's actually deployed.
Yeah, it's actually deployed and
It's
used.
not just a R&D test.
No. This one, and here in the video that you can see, is real demo or the real
factory.
The real factory. Yeah.
And it says how robots learn to be robots. You're working with the NVIDIA guys.
Yeah, it's because we
Is
are
NVIDIA Jetson in there?
We are a partnership with NVIDIA in different solutions. Yes.
Nice. All right. So a lot of stuff happening with AI. What is this box there?
So this is related to the gastrointestinal AI that I mentioned before, and here our AI software is empowered by NVIDIA Holoscan and NVIDIA server IGX. So basically, that is where our AI is running on.
All right. So a lot of AI stuff developing. Is it exciting?
Yeah,
to
sure.
work on AI.
Definitely.
It's
Very
fun.
exciting. Yeah, sure.
Because there's always new tools, new performance that you need to try
it's
to use.
That we are constantly learning. In general, in technology, it's this way, right? We are constantly learning and improving. So, and definitely AI is constantly moving. So we need to adapt on that.
Nice. And without giving more details, but maybe just I just want to have a look. Here it looks like automotive displays.
This one I cannot introduce you so much.
E-cockpit system right here for the car. Here's also gateway automotive electronics. Inventec is all over the automotive market. Doing a bunch of chips around here. Let's have a look at the servers over there. Because Inventec is a very big company, right? Mm-hmm. Working on, for example, servers. All these made in Taiwan, made in China. Right. And is this your colleague over there? Mm-hmm. A colleague from Inventec?
Yeah, they're all these groups. They are our colleagues, yes.
Right. Okay. And and there's also a bunch of Inventec stuff all the way around. Servers. Let's check it out in a separate video.